You should ensure that you should know who you are giving consent and access to. You should be cyber aware. Everyone around us has to be cyber aware. We should keep having quizzes in school. You should have some kind of channel, probably by the children, where they are coming up and sharing different, it's just like a safety map. It's a cyber safety map which needs to be prepared in the various schools, where children, principals, and educators and supervisors, everyone comes together and has a proper rules and regulations defined time to time in the cyber world. So you should know that there are a lot of strangers and predators. Tell them that nobody in that world, in the virtual world, will be your friend, and you have to ensure that you know who is a friend and who is not a friend. So you have to be updated